guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm DKUO and I'm back to another content today. Now in today's video, I'm going to be trying something new, like something different. There's this new viral blush application technique that has been going around the internet. So the whole thing involves applying blush, contour and concealer, yes, before your foundation. But the blush there's going to be a lot of blush being put on your face, and that's weird because that's way out of my comfort zone. But enough talking, more experimenting. I've never tried this before, so we're all going to learn as we watch because I'm shaking inside. My heart is doing bass boost, but we move. So you guys, the first thing I see them do is apply their blush, which is in form of either a red liquid lipstick or I think a stick lipstick. I've seen some people use this stick lipstick like the one I have here, so I'm just going to use this one. It's so red, Jesus Christ, it's scaring me, but like, move. So where is this? I think they put it here. Oh my god. I feel like I should add more. I think this is okay, right? Like in the video that I've seen, they put like a lot of blush. Some even like put on their forehead, but I'm not going to go that far. I'm all for testing new territories and all, but like I'm not going to test my ancestors. Next I see them use is do is contour, so I'm going to be using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Mahogany. Yeah. Oh my god. This makes me feel so weird. It's like I've never even done makeup in my life because this is bad. Yeah. I'm going to put it here. Oh, it's true. I forgot. You put blush on your nose too. And here as well. I have already put contour and blush, so I'm going to put my concealer next. Oh my god. I look like a clown, you guys. Oh god. I'm going to take this brush to blend my contour. Everything just seems to be so much. Oh my god. I don't actually know how this is going to turn out. Like, I feel like let's positive thinking, positive thinking. I'm not seeing any bright side yet though. And for our concealer. Okay, all right. it's not coming out yet, but let's see. So I'm going to take my foundation, my Zara Cosmetics foundation, and apply it, and let's see how that would change the whole game, because yo, I'm confused, man. Where I see them do sharp. Okay. Okay. I see you. Okay. See why people actually like this, like use this method or so, but I don't think I'm going to adapt this to my everyday routine, because yo, so my face has color out. So I'm just going to go and do my brows, and then we'll come back to the face. So you guys, I think we're going to set that under eyes next, right? Let's set. We're going to set. I think the reason why it's confusing for me is because I've never really tried this method before. So doing something like this is way out of my comfort zone. And like, it's not easy. Like, it's not easy every day trying new things, I guess. So like, yeah. So guys, the next thing for us to do is bronzer. Yes, we're going to highlight our face, make it popping, nothing, no, glowing. I've been prepared. Oh my god, we're not done yet. I'm going to go and fix my lashes, and I'll be back. Okay. Oh my god, see, like, let me not lie, you guys, like, I'm looking cute. Like, yo, I'm looking so cute today, like, period. Like, funny enough, when I started out this whole routine, I thought I was just going to feel like, yo, I thought I was just leading myself to destruction, to be honest, because I wasn't expecting me to look this beautiful. But like, here I am looking so cute. Like, yo, like, who is this? Who are you? Period. Okay, enough of the healing, guys. But like, so I love this makeup, I love this look. Tell me what you think about this look in the comment section below, and if you'll be willing to try out this whole routine, like, just let me know. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. See you guys until next time. Bye.